Welcome to another phone game video. I didn't film one this morning because I was on a mission to make art. So I used all my energy to make a couple of art videos. Okay, let's try Atlas Earth. The advertising hasn't been working the last couple hours. I just got an Atlas buck from a bulldozer game that I installed. I don't know what it's called. We just watched the Fellowship of the Ring. And now the girl is watching the Three Towers. The Three Towers. No! She's watching Return of the King. So that's going to be another 3.5 hours of that. So there's no more art tonight. We're filming a video in the place. It's her place. So she can do whatever she wants. She's the one paying for it because I don't have a job. Well, I have to find work. I don't know what I'm going to do. I can't work in these warehouses anymore. It's just too much for me. I need a social worker. Let's see. So if you want to send me money for car insurance, gasoline, thank you JT for sending me beer money. I have problems. I need professional help. Okay, the game turned on. That's good. I'm sure some of you are sick of me talking about Atlas Earth. But I have 92 lands now. I actually got paid $5 this morning. And now I am... well, let's see. 20 cents in. Yeah, so now I'm on my way to making another $5. It'll take several days, of course. I don't think I make $1 a day on this game, unfortunately. Even with all the boosts. It'll take a while to make 80 cents a day. Okay, it's a hard game. But it's fun. See all these lands right here? I own all this. Except for this one. Some person got on the game and just bought one land and quit. But it doesn't matter. My next one I'm going to buy is right here as soon as I get 65 more Atlas bucks. So I'll do what I can to get 65 more Atlas bucks by playing other games. Let's see if we get an ad. Boost rent times 30 for 1 hour. There's one ad I want to film with the hottest chick in all ads currently. But I can't seem to be filming and have that ad be on at the same time. See, ads are relevant. It's important to analyze all this crap. I could analyze my own videos. That'd be fun since I own the copyright, I guess. I don't even have to ask permission to do that. Who's this chick? I don't think I've ever seen this ad before. Is it stuck? Could be. Oh, she has a kid. who can't even do the high five. So, they promise, well, result is not guaranteed, but they show that someone's making money on this game. And chances are, if you play, you won't make anything. Mega coin pusher. So it all looks promising. $300 in one day. Yeah, that's if you play 24 hours. Which is impossible. And even then, maybe that's a high-level player. Maybe when you start out, you'd be lucky to make a nickel. Okay. Let's X out of there. I want to show the new bulldozer game I got. Okay, that's enough for here. Let's check and see something. How many minutes I have left before I can watch another ad. And hey, let's see. No, I don't want that. I don't want to buy a Nevada badge. Okay. Let's watch another ad. This is my job. I don't like this commercial at all. It looks like they're cutting soap. Old Spice. I literally just don't know what's going on with this ad or what the purpose is. And I don't care. So I like the Lord of the Rings movies. Richie Games. I've never played Richie Games before. I wonder if it works. If I had more room on my phone, I'd try it. I have to see if Tester Up still works for me. Richie Games, play and earn. I've never heard a single person on YouTube ever talk about Richie Games. There must be someone who has played this to verify if you can make money with it or not. I've never tried Richie Games. I've tried Tester Up and Benjamin. I made $50 that I could spend at Walmart. They didn't have a PayPal option, which was very disappointing when I tried to get my money. Okay. So let's get out of here. So, this is the new Dozer Adventure. I'm only playing this game so I can get more Atlas bucks for Atlas Earth. It looks kind of fun. So I decided to give it a try. Because my other two games... See, once you get the bonus from the first 5 levels, it's really hard to get more of the rewards you want. It takes a lot of time. And then the games become really hard, so it's not even fun anymore. It's easier just to try a new game and get the Atlas bucks so you can buy another land as soon as possible. Loading. Please wait. Share the load. Master Frodo. Share the load. The first time they really hug is on the boat in the Fellowship of the Ring at the beginning of the movie. And Frodo and Sam kind of have a close relationship. And I've seen those movies so many times. It's just like, you guys obviously like each other. Why don't you just make out? Okay. So this bulldozer goes over here. You drag it around and fill up the truck. And then you circle back to the cell pile. And you share the load with the truck. That's all there is to it. I've earned 1 Atlas buck from this so far. Let's try again. I like these kind of games. So, okay. So there's the bulldozer game. It's hard to play it and film at the same time. Thanks for watching. Send me money. I have 1 day to pay my car insurance. No one will send me money, but I need 5 people to send me $20 each, or 10 people to send me $10 each, or 20 people to send me $5 each. I'm a train wreck of a human being. Thanks for watching.